Namaste, everybody. Welcome back. I am Veena and I'm here today to do a general week ahead energy checking for all of us. I've already shuffled and cut my deck, so I'm going to start right away. The first card we pull is for the energies, overall energies for the week, or the theme for this week for all of us. The Magician. This week definitely seems like a very action oriented, resourceful week for all of us. We will be in our elements, so to speak. We will know what we want. We will know which direction to go ahead. We will know how to action things. We will know the resources that we need to action these things. It will be a very productive week for everybody. There will be clarity. There will be confidence. There will be all the resources available for us to move ahead on our chosen paths or anything that we wish to take up or build. We will have that sense of confidence and that belief in our own selves to go ahead and make things happen. That seems to be the overall energy for the week, which is a beautiful, beautiful energy coming in. Let us see next the obstacles or the challenges this week would offer. Strength. Okay. Seems like a major week for many of us, with the strength card coming in the obstacle, coming in as the obstacle for the week. It definitely seems like we would need to really bring out that compassionate side of ours. We would really need to know that we have the strength to deal with anything that is thrown our way. When life throws that curveball at us, we would need to believe that we have that strength, that we have that compassion, that acceptance of our own selves, that we are not going to be judgmental and critical about our own selves or our failures or our weaknesses, that we know we have it in us, the gentleness, the tenderness, the softness, that open heartedness, that we are not going to be closed off to people, to situations, to all these challenges that come up in our lives. We are not going to judge ourselves and others around us and question everything. That, yes, I have the strength within me, inside of me, and I can tap into that beautiful strength of love, acceptance, compassion. We need to be aware of that because this week seems to be really calling us to look in that inner strength. It seems like this week is going to tell us that yes, you have all the resources you need to build, but are you aware that you have those resources? You're confident, yes, but are you really deeply, deeply mindful about your challenges and the confidence and the skill sets that you have to deal with these challenges? Knowing something on a surface level is not enough, but we need to really know it from our heart, from the depth of our being, that yes, we are the creators of our life, of our destiny to a great extent, and we need to put in that hard work and we will be able to do it. And that strength to go ahead, no matter what, comes from our being, from within us. We need to really, really know that and accept that of our own selves this week. Let us see the advice. Three of Wands. It is going to be a week of expansion. Like I said, this week is telling us to look within and acknowledge our achievements. It is telling us that you all are achievers in your own right. You've achieved so much till now. And you can expand further. If any of you are looking to expand further, to look at new experiences, explore new horizons, this week is a great time to do that. This week is telling you you have everything you need. You're already achievers. You're already successful. You want to expand more. You want to expand further. You have that strength in you to expand further. Don't ever doubt yourself and think, can I do it? Yes, self-doubts are normal. Self doubts are very natural. It is going to happen to all of us, but that's fine. Don't stop there or don't stop yourself because of that self doubt. Go ahead and expand. You have it in you. You are capable of doing this. At the same time, you have the support of friends and families. You have your soul tribe around you, ready to root for you and encourage you in every endeavor that you are willing to take or you wish to take. So go right ahead and do it. Let us just pull two more cards to see what else can we expect this week. Wheel of Fortune looks like a major week for most of us, guys. Wheel of Fortune, major changes coming in. Lot of changes coming in. Just don't resist. Don't resist any new change coming in. Know that you are capable. You are the magician and you have the strength. Don't ever look at yourself as this weak person who cannot deal with this change which is coming in. Please keep that in mind. You are not weak and you do not have to resist a new change coming in. Accept the changes. The less you resist, the easier the transition and the more beautiful the change looks like. One more card. 10 of Swords. Yes, something is coming to an end. A cycle is coming to an end. Something is going to begin. There is an end of a cycle and a new beginning, and something, there is a change coming in. Allow this change to come in because this change is going to highlight how strong you are as a person, how beautiful you are as a person, how compassionate, gentle, and tender you are as a person, and the infinite possibilities you have. The infinite possibilities, you can grow any way you wish to. You can expand in any manner you wish to. If that is expansion of your consciousness, if that is expanding and growing your spiritual practice, if that is just opening your heart further and being so much more inclusive of other beings, if that is showing your compassion and being gentle with yourself and others, if that is about expanding your work, your career, your business, it does not matter what it is. But this week is going to highlight to you how strong and how beautiful and how capable you are. And it is going to throw this awareness at you that you are the manifester and you can create whatever you want in your life. Seems like a lovely week ahead, guys. I hope you have a beautiful week ahead. Namaste.